Alright, so I just bought a brand new key from Honda. They moved over my fob in the back. And a lot of people keep thinking that the key has to be reprogrammed. Here's the original key. Started to crack right around here. And you can see this, you know, it's a little broken. Either way. So just for proof of concept, alright, when you try the original key, you will see that the key light flashes and the car will not start. This is the original key. Nothing has been reprogrammed. This is the new key with the fob in it. The fob is what's got the immobilizer in it. You see, light goes away, car starts right up. That's for you guys who are wondering about key changes. All right, all you do is buy a new key, have the dealership cut it for you, and transfer your fob and your stuff over to it, and you're good to go.